The Ministries of Justice has crucial roles in providing justice, reducing social disparity, eliminating hardship, creating unity, and promoting reintegration of law-abiding citizens in the society. In addition, the ministry also supports national development and establishes assurance of the justice through the work of various agencies under the umbrellas of the ministry. The Ministry of Justice also has significant roles in fostering human rights through the Rights and Liberties Protection Department. The department is responsible for promotion, protection, and establishment of the assurance for rights and freedom in accordance with the human rights principles. Moreover, the department also offers legal assistance and counseling to victims of crimes, dispute settlement, and witness protection in criminal cases. Moreover, there is the Office of Justice Affairs, which is in charge of supervising and administering the justice system through the National Commission for Justice Administration Development. The office also promotes development of information technology and innovations for justice system. Furthermore, there is the Central Institute of Forensic Science, which is responsible for the development of forensic science in Thailand to meet international standards. The institute has vital roles in supporting justice administration by providing international level standard of forensic services. The institute also supervises the National Personal Identification Center. For the supervision of offenders under 18 years of age, it is the Department of Juvenile Observation and Protection who plays this important role. The department protects the rights of children in conflict with the laws through rehabilitation, treatment, development, and welfare for better quality of living. These shall effectively result in the prevention of recidivism and effective reintegration of the child as productive members of the community. On the other hand, the supervision of offenders over 18 years of age falls under the responsibility of the Department of Corrections. Their duties include supervision, rehabilitation, and improvements of prisoners' behavior to ensure that they become productive human resources after their release. The focus is on vocational and occupational training that will assist them in sustaining normal way of life upon release and ensure successful reintegration without recidivism. On top of that, there is the Department of Probation, whose roles are to supervise and rehabilitate offenders, identify drug addicts, as well as to provide assistance and welfare support in order to ensure that offenders become law-abiding members of the community. As for the administration of civil justice, it is the Legal Execution Department that is in charge. The main roles of the department are to enforce civil and bankruptcy judgment. Additionally, the department also provides business reorganization, liquidation, and administers deposits of property. Conducting auction of properties is also one of the enforcement procedures that is performed to ensure that creditors receive repayment from their debtors. Apart from this, providing post-judgment dispute settlement is also an alternative in which creditors and debtors can settle to avoid confiscation of properties and create equality and harmony within the community. In terms of the narcotics prevention and suppression at the national level, Office of the Narcotics Control Board is the central authority in setting out and executing national and ASEAN strategic plans for the prevention and suppression of narcotics. Additionally, the office also has the role in promoting cooperation between government, private, and public sectors in order to safeguard drug-free society. When it comes to prevention, suppression, and investigation of criminal cases, especially those in complex nature and cause public-scale damages, the Department of Special Investigation, or DSI, is the main responsible agency that could secure national interests from such crimes. Nevertheless, for each step in the justice system, if any individual faces difficulty to access the system due to financial challenges, they can reach out to the Justice Fund Office to request financial assistance. For instance, the securities of provisional release, lawyer fees, costs of litigation, and court fees. The financial assistance extends as well to fund for the purpose of dissemination of legal knowledge. For all of the responsibilities previously mentioned, the Office of the Minister is responsible for overseeing and steering for the implementation. The main mission of the office is to conduct a preliminary appraisal of matters for the considerations of the Cabinet, as well as to coordinate with other agencies on parliamentary and governmental affairs. The office also handles public complaints, files to the Minister, and provides administrative support to the Minister in achieving the set goals and objectives. The Office of the Permanent Secretary for Justice is the key office to formulate a plan of actions pursuant to the national strategy through examining relevant actors and determining directions for effective results. In addition, it also supports agencies under the Ministry so that they can deliver efficient public services with the ultimate objectives to ensure prompt, convenience, equal, and equitable access to justice for public.